Happy Friday, everyone. I just stopped by the easterly job over in the Las Colinas area and doing a little walk around. Got our beautiful radius spa, nice stacked stone installed. Got our always famous jets, therapy jets. We got a 4-pack and a 3-jet manifold and multiple singles. Got a very large sun shelf, got an umbrella holder, color vision LED bubbler, nice steps going in to a very big radius freeform pool. Love these designs. Got a little safety bench down there. We also did something very neat. We took travertine coping, very beautiful travertine coping too, by the way. Beautiful stuff, Talia gray. Matches perfectly with the glacier Stonehurst. Very cool job. As you can see, everything's neat, organized, all the equipment set. All we're missing is a little bit of coping on the spa, which will be here in a couple of days. We'll be getting a full screen enclosure. This one will be coming down. Little outdoor kitchen on the side over here with a little solid polycarbonate, or excuse me, composite roof. Let's check out our equipment set real quick. See how we're doing over here. And time to get some electric done. The 400K master temp is set. That's for the spa. They got the big, beautiful Pentair heat cold. Notice all the equipment is Pentair. So they get the Pentair Supreme Gold Star warranty. 3 horsepower pump. Always have a couple extra towels, and they get full automation. The AC units removed to the side of the home. We got our chase pipe here that runs clear across to the other side. Could be for gas, electrical, and other items. Quick overview of this beautiful job. They'll be swimming very soon. So y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.